Hi, so this is the welcome back to like another episode of the CTF walkthrough. So this is the TJCTF 2019, and I'll be running through the challenges which I have solved, which isn't a lot. I didn't have time to do past few CTFs due to some time constraints. So yeah. So let's start off with Blurry. So okay, maybe I'll open it in a new site, new web page. Okay, so for this you can see like roughly the flag here. You click to this, but it doesn't lead you anywhere. It leads you to some YouTube page. So what we'll do now, we can view the page source. Yes, and then we see here the flag. So TJCTF close inspection. Okay, then this is the first one. Okay, next we go on to this challenge called double duty. So this person said, the description says Caesar cipher and they Caesar a message 2,000 times, but it doesn't work that way. So even if you Caesar it 2,000 times, you probably end up with a, how do I put it? You just have to shift maximum 26 times, or rather 25 times to get the flag. So this is one way. You could also use decode.fr, which I will show later. So rot that in, and you could manually move it until you see the flag. Yes, we see the flag. So this is one way. There's another way, to brute force it, which is using decode Caesar. Okay, so okay, so for this, let's give it a while. It's a bit slow. Okay, nice. So just click here and you can test all possible shifts. You should be able to get it too. So just decrypt. You just wait for the results. It's a bit slow today. Maybe I'll move on to the third challenge first. So the third challenge is MC Woes. It's the download is a Minecraft world. Okay, so the Minecraft world, if you unpack it, unzip it, you get a few files. So where exactly is the my world? So where exactly is the flag? So I'll just run through. I'll just skip the rest of the files. If I'm not wrong, the flag is in this. So what you just do is you just search TJCTF and find, and we find the flag here. So this is how you solve MC Woes. This is your third flag. Okay, then okay, it's done. Yes. Yeah, you could probably just search also here. Yeah, it's here. So it's secret code. Yeah. Then but for this you lose the curly brackets. Okay, the next one is it's a bit laggy. Okay, the next one is touch base. So this is obviously a base 64 string with the equal padding at the end. So back to cyberchef, place it here. From base 64 you get the flag. Okay, then the next one is Corsair. So this is a favorite picture of my plane. So let's take a look at the plane. So download it. Okay. So you can't see much from here. I will probably like save as, then .jpeg. Okay, just save it. So where is it? Okay. So you can't exactly see much from here. It's not here at all, the flag. You totally can't see it. Totally. Okay, it's exactly the thing. It's like, so one way to normally solve challenges, it's a bit laggy, is to use something called stack solve. Okay. So you can't see much from here lah. So using stack solve, okay, you open the downloads. This is the JPEG picture. You open it up. Okay, you can't see much, but there's probably like a hint there, like talking about plane. So maybe something that strikes my mind is color plane. So let's just shift the color planes. Ah, it's right there. This is probably the clearest you can get. This is the clearest I guess you can get. So for this, we have to manually type it back down. TJCTF curly bracket CO, I think it's 1 CO1 OR P1 4 and 3S. Cool. Yep. So this will be the flag for this challenge. Okay. So next we have Python in one line. I already downloaded it. I have already solved it. I'll just run it through from here. So where is it? Oh, it's here. Yeah. Okay. So for this, you could see this is the original. So the top part is the original given. So what you can see here, what they are doing is they are mapping each character to each what do you call it, to either dash or like dash dots. So yeah, so that's what's being done. So basically they're just mapping what's being given to us to characters to what is being given to us. Yeah. So this is what is being given to us. So if you actually went to try something like a Morse code decoder or something, you won't get it. In fact, there's a hidden message inside the Morse code decoder. So you translate, yeah, it's not Morse code. Anyway, so this one, I manually mapped it back out. I reversed it and yeah, I just got this. So this is for one line, Python in one line. The next one, Sportsmanship, is you're given a ciphertext and the key. So nothing much from the title, but they did roll something called fair play. So for this, normally for cipher challenges, search for the hint given. So fair play cipher. Oh, but you'll get something called Playfair cipher. So probably you can decode also. So you're given plain text and ciphertext and key. Okay, so I'll place the ciphertext here, then get the key. Okay, place it in for you nicely, then you just decrypt. So yep, you got it. Practical play. So they want TJCTF plain text, so just put a flag in TJCTF, the plain text. This will be the flag. Okay, the next one is easy as RSA. Usually the RSA challenges, you could start by trying those n that can be factorizable. So save as, save txt. Okay, so you can open this up. So you see you're given n, e, and c. So normally for these challenges, it should be factorizable. So there is this 1, 2, which is actually yes, one moment, view, yes now. Okay. So there's this thing called RSA-CTF2 on GitHub. You could go find it. It's quite good. So RSA-CTF2. So you have to run it using Python, I think 2.7. .py, and then they will tell you the requirements. I mean the arguments. Yeah. So you could do a normal attack, which will help you run every single attack that they support. These are the attacks they support, and so you just have to supply N, E, and C. So just place N here. E will be 65537, and C will be uncipher your C, which is a here. Then you can just put, I think, to see what exactly is it running. Okay, and then here we get the flag. TJCTF RSA too easy. This is a flag for RSA. Okay. The next one is all the zips. So this one, for me, it's a bit harder because it's the first time I wrote a script, I guess. So, oh wait, this wasn't a script. This was the Bash script. Yeah, Bash script, not Python script. Yeah. So the first time I wrote the Bash script, so essentially it's already in my what do you call this? Kali. So yeah. Where is it? One moment. Okay. Where did I place it? I can't exactly find it now. Not too sure where I moved it to. I think I just... Oh, never mind. I just lock it. All... Inside all. Is it not coming up as a file or what? Okay, I'm not exactly sure where the file went to. I think I'll just create another one. Yeah, just download it. Wait. Let's react. The files seem to be gone. Okay, maybe I'll run through this later. Okay, so for Galaxy, same thing, download the image. For Galaxy, open a new tab, save the image. Then, okay, so what this is the image. So they did suggest you to do a reverse image search. So just do it. Yep. Move it to images. So here you see something about L, low surface brightness Galaxy. Here you see LSB. So if you have done it before, you have experience with LSB, you will know this is an LSB challenge. So where you go back to stack solve, file, open up the file. Which file is it? I think it's this one. Galaxy. Okay, open it up. Okay, so nothing much here. You analyze the different pictures, the different planes. Right. Oh, here you see it's not very obvious. Maybe I'll open up magnifier or something. You see over here that there's like some encoded stuff. It's in a way corrupted. So that's the red plane 0. Green plane 0, same thing happens. Blue plane 0, same thing happens. So there's nothing much else to see here. So what we can do is to analyze, we can extract the data. So for red, green, and blue, we select and then we preview. And we get a flag here. Okay. If we can't copy out, we'll just type it then. Okay, so this is the next one for Galaxy, right? Yeah, Galaxy. Next one is Mind Blown. So Mind Blown, this one, okay, so same thing, save the image. So for this one, how do you solve it is there is actually a image hidden in this. So you just upload the file. Then you, I think it's this. View EXIF data. Oh wait, no, this. Okay, so you see that there is some information here, but the key thing is there's another image in this, so that's something interesting. So you save the image. So I'm not too sure why, but extracting from foremost doesn't work in this case. So you save the image, then I don't know how to read this, another photo. So with this image, I will upload this image that I got from inside. Then I'll see the exif data. Oh, then I found it. So know your metadata. Yeah. Manually type it down again. Know your metadata, right? So that's for mind blown. This yeah, I hope you have heard the sound for Othello. So basically this one, give me a moment. Save thing as save. So on listening, I don't think you can hear what I'm hearing, but I will be hearing, but I'll just roughly demo. So what I'll do here is basically I'll put it inside Audacity to analyze I mean, obviously what I have done before that was also like to strings the music file and also to what do you call it, view the metadata, but there wasn't anything, so I'll just skip that. So what I'll do here is, if you hear, you might actually hear someone talking, so you can actually reverse it. So you reverse and you play, and then actually the person is talking quite softly. So what you do is you effect and you change the speed, and I think like around 150 was good for me previously. Yeah. So from there I got something like this: curly bracket ISR 3B 3R underscore AK FCJT. But it's not exactly clear, so looking at the name of the file also would help you a bit. So the name is Othello. So Othello has another name called Reversi. Where is it? Let me see. Othello game. Yeah, the other name for Othello is called Reversi. So from there you could roughly guess, aka Reversi. So you could roughly guess the flag from there, and this is what I got. Yep. So this for the Othello challenge. This one, the PCAP file, I already have it loaded up in my Wireshark. Okay. Wireshark. So I was guessing and trying to find a packet which had the something along the lines of like a, what do you call it, HTTP or something like that, but it's not being encrypted, so no HTTPS. So something like where is it? Follow TCP stream. No, not this. Okay, let me take a look one more time. Should be around here. There's something like text.html. So should be this. So TCP stream. Yeah, something that has data. Host verify. No, not this also. Probably this one. And it's over here. So you can see the user and the password. So this will be the password, but do note it is URL encoded. So what you do is you switch. So %7b it's for open curly brackets, and %70 is for close curly bracket, so just swap it like that, and there you go, you got the flag for this cable challenge, this PCAP challenge here. So this BC calculator, BC calc, assume for calculator question, it's a Word document. I got it as an ODT file, so I show the folder. So over here, what you open up, you can't exactly decipher the flag from here. Okay, so what I did was previously I saved it as a Word document first, and then I put it into Kali to unzip, because you can unzip Word documents. So not too sure if you can unzip from ODT straight away, but I won't try it now. Yeah. Okay, so use file, save as, browse, same place, but oh no, yeah, save as a Word document. So you save it, then use the Word document, pull it into Kali Linux. Okay, so with this Word document, just press unzip this Word document. Okay, wait. Unzip. Wait. I think I was unzip. If not, you could try the extracting foremost also. Let me try one more time. Root output. Oh no, I just navigate to that folder first, I guess. CD desktop, new folder. Unzip here. I think if you don't if you run it from the root folder, root output folder or something, it won't exactly run. Okay, that's weird. Okay, foremost doesn't do it very well either. Let me take unzip. Why can't you unzip? It's a docs file. Should be able to. Unzip docs file. So after you unzip, what you should get is a you can unzip a Word document file. LibreOffice, yeah. Okay, let me try. I remember the command was to unzip though, not too sure. This is weird. the last disk of this archive. Let me check the docs file first. Yeah, so it theoretically should work. Let me check. Replace. I think I have to put dash z, is it? Docs. Ah, okay, I think I got it. Did I get it? No, where is it being stored? To can't exactly remember the command, man. PNG, no. Okay, I'll delete this first, the output from foremost. Okay, I'm not too sure if this is already unzipped. It should be, but I'm not sure why is it not being uncompressed now. But essentially, if you uncompress, you should get something similar to this image 1 to 23 in that order. So if you open it up, you should get just document this down at the same time. So you should get something like this. TJ. Then second one you open should be a C. C, so obviously it's TJCTF. So you get a T here, then you get a F, then curly braces, curly open brackets, and then it's K. They did say all in lowercase if I'm not wrong. Yeah, all the flags are in lowercase, so K. It's a pretty short flag, KN. If I'm not wrong, it was knowurfiles. So know your file. Okay, there's a S at the back. Give it a while. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S. So lastly followed by close curly bracket. So this is how you solve the BC Calc question. Yeah, I will check for all the zips question. Okay, sorry for the interruption just now. I finally found my files. Yeah, so basically this was the challenge I skipped just now, the all the zips challenge. So like I said, it was the first time writing the what do you call it, bash shell script, so it's kind of hard. flag.txt. So yeah, the shell script is over here, is solve.sh. So we'll just take a look at the script first. So there is basically 140 zip files, which is impossible to kind of brute force by hand. Although I did try, and I spent quite a lot of time on it. Wait, no, not flag.txt. Solve.sh. Yeah, so basically the file here is, okay, never mind, ignore this also. I tried the password, it doesn't really work. So for value in 0 to .139, this is the for loop. So do echo this part I can show you. Yeah, why? Yes, because there's this part whereby if you run the script and then they already extracted out flag.txt, they ask if you want to replace. So basically I'm answering yes to the question every time. I could work I could break it down later in the command line. Yeah, so over here what next is basically I'm unzipping the file. -p is the specifying the password, the password field. So putting it inside the dollar, this will run another command in that sense. So fcrack zip udp, so I can't exactly remember what it stands for, but D I think is dictionary, then -p is the password list. So value specifying which zip is it, so like for 0, so zip0.zip, so passing the dictionary of words in. Then I get the, because every time you crack the password, you will get the $5, yeah, the $5 means the 5th character, and it's delimited by space. So it's just like delimited by 4 words in front. So 4 words, then this is the 5th word, and it's limited by space. So I'll print it out and make this so password. Then they print out the password for me here. So where is it? You could think of this thing as a password. So they type the password out, zip 0.zip, so you crack the same, you get the password, you crack the same zip file, cat the flag.txt, then you try to grab for TJCTF. I will save it. Save. Right. I will start by showing this to you first, so you solve a message. So you can see here it's actually not exactly sure what is happening in front, but basically you can see it's replacing all the files. So that's where I need the part for it to echo yes, always to echo yes it back to the this part yes to the server. So that's a good part. It should be reaching soon, if I didn't remember wrongly. So I can demonstrate what each command, what each like line specifically does, like when it's broken down, and what exactly am I doing. So T2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got it. So we can stop. So so TJCTF slim down so that it's hurt. So okay, never mind. Just add in the T myself. This goes here. So TJCTF slim down so that it's hurt. So let's just get the solve.sh. I can demonstrate quickly. So first, what is being done is you need to fcrack. You need to crack the Ctrl+Shift+C, Ctrl+Shift+V. You need to crack the zip. So crack 0. So you just delete this 0.zip. So what you get is password found. Password equals how. So what is being done here is this 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th word. So it's delimited by spaces. Okay, so what you can see from here is if I do the extra command, awk print $5, you just get out. Okay, so up next will be cracking. So for cracking, you to automatically unzip, you could put -p, specify the password, which is for example how. Then yeah, so zip 0.zip lah, same 0.zip, unzip. So you then yeah, there's already flag.txt there. So the problem here is that's the reason why I echo here. So this is how you pass the command in if it's a, what do you call it, a prompt. If the system prompts you, yeah, you have to reply back. So you echo it and you pipe it in here. Okay, so yep, so we replace. Then after that, you just cat for flag.txt. You get view and then you grab. So essentially, if I grab, if it's not what I want to find, TJCTF, then nothing comes back, because grab is to, in a way, find TJCTF. So yeah, there's nothing in there. Yep, so that's about it for this TJCTF 2019 walkthrough, and I hope you enjoyed it, although there was some minor hiccup. So please subscribe if you like it. I will try my best to do more CTF walkthroughs or like video write-ups next time. Thank you very much, and see you again.